start this.
I fall my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim me with. It was dark, and it was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, while my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms when I fall into your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Running with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. The things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, that house you called must be waiting for you. Even now when you're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time.
Can I stop it?
Yeah.